In this video, we will create notification for our website. We will use a gem called Toaster. This is a very nice JavaScript library. For more detail, let's go to this link to have a look at Toaster Web. So now let's import Toaster into our project. Open gem file. And at the end, let's write gem Toaster Rails and save it. Now let's open app, access JavaScript, and application.js and run like this. Require Toaster, and let's open the SCSS file to import Toaster CSS. Import Toaster, and save it. Now open your terminal and run bundle, and let's run our server. So in Rails, there is a feature called Flash. The Flash provides a way to pass temporary variables, usually message between actions. Anything you place in the Flash will be exposed to the very next action and then clear out. This is a great way of doing notices and alerts, such as in device. After you log in, you have a message that said sign in successfully, and then disappear when you go to another page or refresh. You see? Now let's have a look at this file, view, share, not share, in layout, application.html ERB, and these lineup codes will show our Flash. You could write notice or Flash like this, Flash notice, or like this. These are the same. So in Rails, notice and other keys are the most common. Usually you want to use notice when something successfully done, and alert when something failingly done. Okay? So that is about Flash. Now let's see how our fancy library Toaster work. Let's have a test. Let's write some script. So inside here, let's write toaster.success, and inside here I'll write something, and you have a nice notification in here. So I want to display this notification only if when I have a Flash. So I'll write like this: if flash.any, if we have any Flash, then we'll display that. And I will tap this inside. Now let's write like this. Inside here, I want to write flash.each view key value, and we have end, and inside here we have type key to s gsub alert arrow dot gsub notice success, and we will type value, and we delete this. Okay, finished. So first we might have multiple Flash, so we will loop through each Flash. So key here is maybe alert or notice, and the value is a Flash message. For example, we have Flash notice, something like this, sign in successfully, something like this. So the key is notice, and the value will be the Flash message. So next we will convert the Flash key from alert to arrow, if any, and from notice to success, if any. So after that we have toast toaster.success. So the notice becomes the success, and then we have the value inside this. Sign in something like above. Okay, so that's how it works. Now let's have a test, shall we? For example, if I log out, okay, right now if I refresh, the notification won't appear because we don't have any flash. So now if I log out, yeah, I still don't see any flash. Okay, we have a typo in here, sorry. So now let's try to log in. Okay, we got a flash. And I will get rid of this device default flash. Delete this. And by the way, there is one more place we could add a flash in. That is in the sign up form. Actually, you could change this to notification. So in order to do that, let's create a new file and share. And I'll call it device message.html.erb. So inside here, I write if resource dot error any, if we have any error, and don't forget to write any in here. And inside here we'll have a script. Inside we have a resource error full message h new value. We don't have to check the key because it's always be error. And we'll write toaster.error value and save it. Oh, one more thing, we have to render this partial file inside device registration and this new. So we'll replace device default flash render flash like this, render share device mesh, this file share device mesh, all at one S, and save it. Now let's have a look. Let's go back to sign up. We have a typo in here, so let's see it. This file. Oh, I'm missing this. Okay. Now let's run again. Okay, so I type something like this. Oh, okay. Set up. Yeah, we got a very nice notification here. So that's it for this video. See you next time, guys.